Before you use reader mode on your iPhone or desktop, you need to do this trick. Coming right up. Hi, I'm Jason. I help people overcome their tech with tip tools and products. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, especially if you get value out of this video. Also in the description below will be hot deals on new M1 Max and the iPhone or phones you can find online. Just check that description out, and plus all the gear I use. All right, let's get right into it. So basically, we're going to use a trick to help you look at websites easier from your desktop and your iPhone. So first thing you need to do is I have the desktop open, my Mac. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a website. Here's a site, for example, Star Wars, the secret of his hand missing, right? So what we're going to do is this top button on the top right is reader mode. And so when you do reader mode, you can also basically read this website easier, right? So a cool trick I like is in the right-hand section where the small AA, you can click it. And my secret trick is you can actually change the font, the color, and make the text bigger too. And so it's easier to basically read when you're on a website. And so the iPhone is similar. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to snap my fingers and we're going to look at an iPhone. 1, 2, 3. All right, and so here we are with the iPhone. So here's my iPhone. We're on a basically IGN site. We're another Star Wars missing lightsaber, right? So to the top left, where we click the AA button, now we're going to click reader mode. There we go. And so same thing. You can actually click that left-hand side again, and it gives you the option to change the colors. And you can make it bigger, smaller. All right, let's go back to the desktop. I'm gonna snap my fingers. All right, now we're back to desktop, and question of the day. What color do you like your reader mode background to be? For the iPhone, I like to have it black, and for the desktop, I like to have it a tannish color. So let me know in the description below, what color do you like? And don't forget, if you ever want to figure out how to use sticky notes on a Mac, check my video up there, somewhere up there. I don't know where it's going to be. It's up there somewhere. All right, see you later.